What's going on, guys? It's your boy King G with Investment Adventures. We back. This is actually a addition to the last video about how to, remove collections. This is actually, well, before we go into that, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you like the content. If you don't like the content, don't subscribe. No issues or anything. I'm only here to help the people. All right, so here's the add-on to that video, okay? Because there's two ways to do this. Because even though you do not owe the collection company, right? You don't owe them, and you can remove it, and it will come off in 35 days. However, there are times when people are in a bit of a need to remove it fast, right? So you need to remove, this account from your credit quick. Like I don't have 35 days to wait right now because I'm trying to do something soon, like quick, you know what I'm saying? So here's another thing you can do. All right. The other thing you can do is do a pay to delete. Now there's steps to this, and I'm gonna take you step by step how to do it because I've seen people do it wrong and it goes wrong. Okay. So here's how you do a pay to delete. The first thing you want to do is you need to get a pay to delete letter from them. What I mean by that is you want them to send you a letter saying that once you pay this debt, they will remove it from your credit. You have to get that from them. If you don't get that from them, then 9 times out of 10, I ain't gonna say 9 times out of 10, that's not true. But it's a 50-50 chance that the collection company won't remove it. There's a 50% chance that they will remove it, right? We don't have time for that, right? So you need to get a letter confirming that, hey, once this debt is paid, it is to be removed off my credit. So this is how I go. So let's say this is what I see people do. I've seen people do is they will get on the phone, talk to the collection company, and they'll be like, yeah, once you pay, we'll remove it. Okay. And then they pay it. They didn't get the letter. The collection company doesn't remove it. Now you call and saying, y'all said y'all was going to remove it. They don't care no more. They got their money. They're not gonna remove it. They got what they wanted. So now you just got a paid collection on your account, on your credit, which is horrible. A paid collection is not good at all. Okay, so that's garbage. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you get that letter first, right? And that's something that they can literally just send to you through email or whatever the case may be. They can really give it to you like that. They don't have to mail it to you. So you get that collection letter saying, hey, we'll remove it once it's paid, right? Once you get that letter, then you pay it. Now, if they don't delete it like they supposed to, because a lot of times they can remove it really quick, like in days. But if they don't remove it, then what you do is you send that letter that they sent you to the credit bureaus and say, look, this collection is paid on my credit, and this letter says that it will come off my credit once it's paid and it's still on my credit. I need this to be removed from my credit. And then the credit bureaus will remove it. Okay. That's how you do a pay to delete. Now that's just if you're trying to speed it up. Because me personally, I would never pay a collection, because I know I don't owe y'all. You understand what I'm saying? I owe the actual creditor. And that's the only thing that's the only people I owe. And once they charge it off and they get their money, they got their money. And you don't have the right to come to me and try to get the money from me. But if you in that situation where you like, I need this right now, that's the way to do it. And that's not for me. That's not me saying like that's a good way to go. That's just the way that you can do it if you need to hurry up and do it. I personally would do the hey, I don't owe you, I don't got no contract with you method, and let it fall off like that. All right, so that's it for this video. This King G with Investment Adventures. Peace.